Today in this video we are going to discuss about nitrogen cycle, and most of the time in various competitive exam there are questions being asked from this portion also. If you understand this figure, then no need to read the theory, because once we get the overview, then we can discuss or write with our own. So what is nitrogen cycle? So basically nitrogen cycle is the biochemical process. This is the biochemical process. Biochemical process means there is the involvement of living organism or biological agent, and another one is the chemical process occurring during the whole process. So biological agent means the microorganism, and this chemical process is the chemical reaction that go on continuously during the whole cycle. So to discuss this nitrogen cycle, first we need to find out the source of nitrogen. So the source of nitrogen means we know that there is this 78% nitrogen present in the atmosphere, and this 78% nitrogen is the source for all the nitrogen present in the environment, either in the body of the organism or animal, or that may be plant. They all acquire nitrogen for different purpose, for their own metabolic process. Now when this atmospheric nitrogen is present in the atmosphere, this atmospheric form of nitrogen is changed into or converted into different form, and the first one is this atmospheric form of nitrogen is converted into ammonia and then into ammonium ion. This process is generally performed by the nitrogen fixing bacteria. In the soil we know that there are several beneficial bacteria that fixes nitrogen into the soil. So this nitrogen fixing bacteria may be symbiotic or non-symbiotic. Here the symbiotic bacteria means those which develop a close or mutual relationship with the plant, and in context the nitrogen fixing bacteria will provide nitrogen, a stable form of nitrogen from atmosphere to the soil that will be available for the plant. Microorganism present in the soil will help to fix atmospheric nitrogen into the soil for the plant. Then in return the plant will also provide carbohydrate and nutrient to the microorganism. That is the mutual association. Now another bacteria that will help fixing nitrogen into the soil may be non-symbiotic bacteria. Those non-symbiotic bacteria means there is no mutual association between the plant and the microorganism or the bacteria. So this non-symbiotic bacteria will fix atmospheric nitrogen for the plant, and in return they will take nothing from the plant. So this is the difference between symbiotic and non-symbiotic bacteria or the microorganism. Now this atmospheric form of nitrogen is fixed by the nitrogen fixing bacteria into the soil in the form of ammonia and ammonium ion. At the same time another process also can occur, that is due to the lightning. We know that in the atmosphere frequently lightnings are going on. Due to this lightning, the atmospheric nitrogen get dissociate into several compounds, that is ammonia or ammonium ion, and it will go directly into the soil with the help of rain. Now again also this atmospheric nitrogen will directly change into nitrate form. Now when the atmospheric nitrogen is fixed into the soil by nitrogen fixing bacteria, and this compound, that is ammonia or ammonium ion, will convert into nitrate, that is NO2 firstly, and then into nitrate, and this process is known as nitrification. And this nitrification is also performed by the several nitrifying bacteria such as Nitrosomonas. Now this ammonia or ammonium form of nitrogen will get converted into nitrite first and then into nitrate, and this process is known as nitrification. And this nitrification is performed by the various nitrifying bacteria, for example Nitrosomonas. Now, and the process of conversion of into nitrite is known as nitration. And the process of conversion of ammonia into nitrate and then into nitrate is known as nitratation, and the whole process is known as nitrification. Now this nitrate form change into nitrate form, and this nitrate form will be assimilated by the plant. Now the plant will gain this nitrate form of nitrogen for protein synthesis and also DNA synthesis or other several metabolic processes. And the plant acquired this nitrate form of compound from the soil. After the plant assimilates this nitrate for protein synthesis and DNA synthesis, the plant will be eaten by the animal for nutrition. And here also the nitrogen present in the plant in the form of protein and in DNA, this will be eaten by the animal, and animal will also gain protein from the plant. Now when this plant and animal die, the waste and dead remains will have organic nitrogen compound. This organic nitrogen compound will be converted into ammonia again, and this process, the process of conversion of organic nitrogen compound into ammonia by the help of fungi or bacteria present in the soil, is known as ammonification, and this will complete the cycle. Now also when the nitrate present in the soil will not be completely assimilated by the plant, some portion will go into the atmosphere in the gaseous form, and this process is known as denitrification, and this denitrification is done by the denitrifying bacteria. So overall, this bacteria or the microorganism are playing crucial role in the nitrogen cycle. Now this cycle will go on continuously, and this process are continuously happening in this atmosphere.